Tragic hero, explained, hubris in Greek mythology and real life. Let's think about this. Why do some heroes fail? Not because of enemies, but because of themselves. Take Icarus, the son of Daedalus, a master craftsman. He flew with wings made of wax. His father warned him, "Don't fly too high." But Icarus felt unstoppable, soared too close to the sun, and his wings melted. He fell. That one flaw, pride, brought him down. Could that happen to us too? 1. What is a tragic hero? The tragic hero comes from Greek stories. It's a person who is strong or noble but has one weakness that leads to their fall.
Know yourself.
Aristotle, a famous thinker, called this weakness a tragic flaw. Most often, that flaw is hubris, too much pride or overconfidence. Think of Oedipus, the king of Thebes. He thought he could beat fate. After hearing the oracle's prophecy that he will kill his father and marry his mother, Oedipus was horrified. But by refusing to slow down or listen, he walked straight into tragedy. 2. Mythology Examples. Hubris isn't just ordinary pride. It's when someone ignores warnings or limits. Icarus ignored his father's words. Oedipus ignored every sign pointing to the truth. Their downfall wasn't from villains, it came from themselves. These stories remind us, humility, listening, and respecting limits aren't weakness. They keep us safe. 3. Real-life connection. Now let's bring this to our world. Hubris shows up in simple ways. A student who refuses to study because they already know it. A driver who speeds, ignoring signs, thinking accidents happen only to others. A worker who skips safety steps because "I've done this 100 times." In medicine, pride can be dangerous. A doctor who ignores a small symptom or skips a checklist might miss something critical. Research shows many disasters, whether in hospitals, airplanes, or companies, happen because someone refused to listen or double-check. 4. Practical lesson. So, what's the takeaway? First, pause and check before acting. Second, ask for a second opinion. Third, remember, humility protects us. Being careful doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. That's a lesson the myths still teach us today. 5. Final thought. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever ignored advice because you thought you were right? Share below. Your story might help someone else. If you enjoyed learning how ancient stories connect to real life, hit like and subscribe.